YouTube, how y'all doing out there? Just wanted to do a quick little unboxing and show off a little haul I got, the pre-order that came in. Want to shoot a quick little video just to share with y'all, let y'all check it out. And we'll be right back. We're gonna definitely let you see what we got. All right, first we're gonna get into this the pre-order that we got from Gamestop. Finally came in. And then this one, just to kind of pad out the collection. I'm glad they put it in a little individual sorter there. And we got the Pokemon Charmander. I said this one was one to add to the collection, a little Pokemon. So far we do have the Target Pikachu and Bulbasaur. Now we got the Charmander, and hopefully we'll keep them. And we're still looking for those Funko, I guess they're called Funko vinyls. I guess the ones they're gonna do every month, the different month for the Pikachu. So far we have two. We're looking for the last one, just came out. Definitely like the little Pokemon pops there. All right, gonna be right back. Gonna check out what was in this box. All right, now this one is one we were lucky to get in. It sold out really quickly. It was from the HBO shop. Wanting to get this one in, and it's going for crazy prices on eBay right now. We got the Metallic Night King, Game of Thrones, HBO shop exclusive, and they got the sticker upside down. That's all right, we'll take it as it is. And so we were waiting on this one to come in to add to the collection. It does have one little dent down there. That's all right, not too bad. Night King, Game of Thrones, HBO exclusive. Yeah, we got our pre-order in for the Charmander. Like I said, we just wanted to post a quick little video, let you see what we picked up today. We're definitely excited to get this one in today. Hate that series is ending, but looking forward to those last few episodes to fill out the story. All right, Funk Pop out. Y'all collect what you love. Funk Papa here. Give me some likes, comments, subscribe. We'll try to keep it going. Funk Pop out. Collect what you love.